Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10 lines on my state Odisha. This video also covers the topic 10 lines on the state Odisha or 10 lines about the state Odisha. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. The first line is Odisha is a state on the east coast of India. The second line is, it is a land of many great temples. Line number 3 is, the world famous Jagannath temple of Puri is the charismatic spot of pilgrimage. The next line is, Jagannath Rath Yatra is the famous festival of Odisha. Line number 5 is, it is the 9th largest Indian state and the 11th most populous state. Line number 6 is, the capital city is Bhubaneswar. The next line is, its official language is Odia. Line number 8 is, the economy of Odisha depends on both agricultural and industrial growth. Line number 9 is it has abundant natural resources too. The last line or line number 10 is it is a state with an excellent history and is stuffed with nature and adventure.